Hello. Today we're going to talk about breast cancer and the root cause feelings, emotions, and judgments of it. See, the individual who has breast cancer often feels that they are the foundation of the family and need to hold it together. They consider it necessary to project a strong facade towards the public, even if their private life is causing them great stress. They may find it challenging to grieve and show emotion due to fear of rejection and abandonment. They either suppress their emotions or it comes out in explosive ways that sets off more triggers such as anger, resentment, rejection, or family disputes. Their outbursts only serve to push people away, leaving them feeling more abandoned. They may associate expressing themselves with punishment and rejection. The image that they have portrayed to the public has become draining, and it's emotionally, spiritual, and mentally taken its toll. They feel criticism and rejection if they do let go of the facade they wear. They fear moving outside of being the perfect wife, perfect friend, and perfect mother stereotype. They feel attacked by people that should love them. They feel drained from giving and not receiving, all the while pretending that everything's okay, even if it's not. They're not allowing themselves to move forward and create change. They find themselves holding back for the sake of others. They are suppressing a great deal of sadness that they have not processed or expressed. Now, where the cancer is, it's also important because the left cancer deals with or relates with relationships with herself, with the female, with their mother, with the family, and family responsibilities. The right breast is about relating with relationships with their father, leadership, trying to be strong or being brave during challenging times when everyone needs support. If it's between the breasts, they often relate to conflict in family matters. They feel a great deal of anger, rage, or control by family members. They feel unsafe and resistant to expressing and showing love to loved ones. They feel used, abused, or attacked by people with whom they should be safe. So location of the cancer, it's important. It's a clue as to where it needs to be worked on. But in addition to that, all the other emotions also have to be dealt with and put to neutral. And with that, have a great day.